In this video I will show you how to delete Safari history on iPhone. First open the setting. Then scroll down. Then click on Apps. Then scroll down. Then click on Safari. Then scroll down. Then click on Clear History and Website Data. After that you will select which time of history you will delete. Then click on Close All tabs. Then click on Clear History. After that your history will be deleted. I hope this video helped you. If did it, then like and share the video and subscribe the channel.